of God here,
Okay, you do that.
and you're cooking like this. With a big s'mores. And we've been sitting for how long?
He just
Oh,
came.
this isn't.
He just came 20 minutes ago.
That's not Charlie.
No.
I'm not getting fooled again.
Yeah.
Why did you change his clothes?
That's Aki.
Aki. Yes.
So you know Jerry, right? Jerry?
Yeah.
Yeah. So his wife from Philippines.
We're at the party,
Oh yeah.
a Christmas party. I said,
Christmas party.
well, why did you change his clothes? Well, that's not Charlie.
Yeah.
Uy, balik tayo mo guys. Sunod na. Di pa ah.
Nice setup.
Yeah. Thank you.
Ito, luto na ba ito?
There's still vacant there. Still available over there.
Huh?
Still available spot over there.
The more people coming in. No.
No.
Do you need
Still
a
have.
Do you need a heater? We have a heater.
No. We have
Parang ang dami daw pinag-
lots of blanket.
We have a electric heater.
Yeah, we do have electric heater.
Nita, nasa na yung ano? Ang XP na lang kasi ng spot.
All right, say hi everyone.
Nasaan na kasi ito? Shoo.
Say hi everyone.
Sige na.
Oh. Video.
Video.
Like you just show up and there's full table.
Yeah. Budol fight tomorrow.
Huh?
Budol fight here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boodle fight.
Yeah.
You have banana leaves.
We don't have.
You have to have banana leaves for boodle fight, don't you?
I don't know.
No, we're just gonna use foil.
Foil instead of banana leaf.
We're gonna send the kids to bring more wood.
Okay, yeah. We can grab. Thank you.
Wala ba kang ano? Haba? Sunog. Ay no, sunog na nga. Hindi, buha ka hindi. Oh, papanday ka ba? Ay, no.
Gonna burn their fingers.
Yeah.
Ayan o. Nanay, mahaba yun o.
Ito.
Pink one is Scarlet.
Hello,
Oh, the pink one is Natalie.
Jackson.
Yeah.
Say hi. Hi kay Jan. Hi. Pepper. Yeah. You have a new camper.
Yeah.
That's good. What year?
09.
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
All right.
Oh, there's no music.
Oh,
You're live.
copyright. No, recording.
Oh.
Dayor.
Sasayaw pa naman si Jeff kanina.
What?
Oh,
Oh, you're dancing a while ago.
dito kaya?
Oh.
Aba.
Oh.
Simple. Okay,
Oo. Ayos yun. Bagong develop lang to eh.
Kaya nga raw.
Yung,
Ano nga, pag naligo ko may bayad eh.
oh may bayad?
Opo.
Oo,
$2.
$2. Ah, hindi na masama.
Pwede na din.
Oo. Sabihin ko na lang ano,
I don't think we brought enough stuff.
adobo?
Tinola po.
Adobo?
Tinola po.
Oo, ayos yan.
Para masabaw tayo.
That's your little Filipino community over there.
Yeah.
Hemp village.
Yeah. Okay, see you guys around.
You know, you get a good one like that. Look after it. That'll be a better camper.
Oo.
Luna, go away!
Luna. There's Charlie. Hey, Charlie. There's si Charlie. Oh. Good morning mga kakikoy ko. Nandito kami sa lake. Tobin Lake. Bagong develop lang to kasi kung napapansin nyo, ang puno dito ay ayan, maiksi pa. Tapos malinis yung CR nila. Bago lang kasi. Kung napapansin nyo yung mga puno. Ayan. Maiksi. Diba? Ayan. Sa kaming barangay nandito. Ayan. Ganito rito. Diba may camper. Kami tent lang. Sasain kami.
Sasangag tayo.
So, ganda pa ng moon. Ewan ko kung kita nyo.
Ano? Magkano ka nga extension ko?
So ayan mga kakikoy ko, kukuha tayo ng kahoy, panggatong, kasi dito sa park kahoy talaga ang ano natin. Yung iba meron ng meron kaming rice cooker, pero kukuha ko ng kahoy. Okay, let's go. Samahan nyo ako. Alright. Daming rito, yung naka-stay. Ayan o, kung makikita nyo. Oh, 360 ba?